This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in crude oil. We'll start the analysis from the weekly time frame to lower time frame. In each time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the current trend of the market, present support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference for deciding on your trade entries and exits. It's not a trading advice. Let us begin our analysis. So I am in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action in weekly time frame, the highest it has gone was, this was in the year 2008. It went up to 146 and from there it bounced back on a bearish trend reversal. And when we look at the future price action, it never went to the same level. Presently we can notice that the price action went up to the level of 129, but it couldn't sustain at this level. Only the wicks have gone over there, but actual body closed below this level of 129. So from the price action we know that this whole area is acting as a very strong resistance level. So from the past price action we can understand that the price action is more comfortable to trade below the level of 110. Whenever it goes above this level, we are seeing a strong bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. And we know that this sudden spike in the price is due to the Ukraine-Russia war tension. As long as this war situation doesn't improve, we can expect the price action to trade within this resistance zone, which is around 110 or 11. And when we look at the current trend of the market in weekly time frame, it is still in a very strong bullish trend. And currently it is trying to break the resistance level of 111.29, and in the past also we have noticed price tried to break these resistance levels and has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. Currently it is sustaining on the higher side due to the Ukraine-Russia war tension. Only when the price action falls below 85.43, we can expect the price action to come on a bearish trend reversal. As long as this trend line or support line is not broken, we can expect the price action to consolidate or even to spike on the bullish side. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, currently the price action doesn't have any trend. It went on a bullish trend, found resistance at the resistance level of 124 and bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. But you can notice that before going on a bullish side also, it had a very nice consolidation, then started on a bullish side. Currently when the price action tries to break the support level, we can notice that this consolidation is holding the price action from falling further on the bearish trend reversal. When we draw the trend line and check the current trend of the market, from here it started its bullish trend. I've drawn two support line or trend line. We can notice that previously the price action was taking support on this trend line. After the price action broke this trend line has acted as a resistance line. Currently we can notice that the price action is in a bullish trend, but we have a very strong resistance level 111.36. So it has to break this weekly time frame resistance level and the trend line from the daily time frame to go on a bullish side. So as long as the price action doesn't break this level of 124.90, we can expect the price action to move on a sideways, because all this price action is being created due to the Ukraine-Russia war tension. Only when the war tension is under control, we can expect the trend reversal in crude oil. So the price action in daily time frame is also on a bullish trend, but the bullishness is weaker. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, from here I have drawn a support line or trend line, and on the higher side also I have drawn a trend line. We can clearly notice that the bullishness is becoming weaker and weaker. Once it loses its bullish momentum, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen in hourly time frame. So wait for the price action to break this support line or trend line in order to decide on a bearish side trades. So we can expect the price action to come and take support on this trend line from the daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this trend line or resistance line, we can expect it to take resistance at the previous trend line from the daily time frame. So within this trend line also I am drawing one more trend line. We can clearly notice that the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. So soon we can expect a directional momentum in hourly time frame. Either it has to break on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. These are all the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame. So wait for the price action to break this red color resistance line to take trades on the bullish side, or wait for the price action to break this support line to take trades on the bearish side. Currently the price action is trading between this resistance line and support line from the daily time frame. It is still trading in a bullish trend, but the bullish momentum is becoming weaker and weaker in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn one more resistance line and support line for the 30 minutes time frame. We can clearly notice in 30 minutes time frame that the bullish trend is becoming weaker and weaker because it has not broken the previous high, which is around 111.10. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend, but we can notice that the price is very choppy. It is not going on a bullish side or it is not going much on a bearish side. It is sort of consolidating within this area. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, we can notice that the price action is consolidating. It is not breaking the high of 111.14, or it is not breaking this trend line or support line also. It is sort of moving on a sideways with a narrow range. This level of 111.14 is a higher time frame resistance level. If the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a very sharp jump on the bullish side. And if the price action starts to trend on the bullish side, we can expect it to take resistance at the daily time frame resistance line. So wait for the price action to break this resistance level, or wait for it to break this trend line to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 5 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation, trading between this support and resistance level. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.